Hey there, welcome back to Maker. If you want to set up your Cricut Expression and you're not sure where to start, watch this video till the end. Don't worry, setting it up might look complicated, but it's actually super simple. In this video, I'm walking you through every step to get your machine up and running. And if you need any help along the way, just call the number on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Let's get started. Find a flat, stable surface for your machine and position it near a power outlet. Connect a power cable to the back of your machine and power on the power switch. Then open the lid and ensure there are no cardboard inserts or tape inside the machine. Lift the display panel. Position the keypad overlay over the keypad panel. Insert your Cricut cartridge. Press the power button to turn on your machine and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.